This is a skid loader bucket we designed and built to load sawdust and mulch. It's 4 foot wide and 4 foot long. Being 4 foot long allows us to load to the center of a pickup box. The 4 foot wide bucket was needed to load short box pickups. A 6 foot pickup box seems to be the norm now. Then a guy adds a 2 foot toolbox. That leaves 4 foot for sawdust and mulch. We wanted to paint on a cold day with the door open, so a heat exchanger was hooked up to a blower to provide warm air while spraying. Here is the finished bucket ready for service. Just a quick walk around to get a better idea of the rollback. The sides are parallel to the ground at full rollback. Here's the back side of our 4 foot wide, 4 foot long skid loader bucket. We made our own E-plates. Our top mount. We set it on blocks when we're not using it. You can see they're tapered, and that way the water runs out when it rains. And the back side has a little angle piece to it. I was moving sawdust with it, and the bucket was cold and the sawdust was damp and it froze in there. But you get the point. Here are two other buckets we've built. They're 4 foot wide, 5 foot long. They have the skid loader quick attach plate on the back and fork pockets underneath. We use the fork pockets so we can move the buckets with the forklift. We use these buckets for bulk materials like firewood, mulch, sawdust.